Happy, happy birthday, baby. Though I can't call you my baby, I thought I'd drop a line to say that I wish this happy day could find me beside you.
Happy, happy birthday, baby. No, I can't call you baby. Seems like years ago we met on a day I can't forget, 'cause that's when we fell in love. Could we say goodbye? I hope I didn't spoil your birthday. Well, you didn't help it. Though I'm not acting like a lady, so I'll close this note to you with good luck and wishes too. Happy, happy